Tuwa ako sa batang babae. Para siyang ano, yung kangkara.
Go, Jared!
Para siyang lalaking kumilos. Pasa. Bilis. Masigla yung batang babae.
Parang bola kasi, talbog-talbog eh.
Ay, napakadilim naman ng camera ko, walang kwenta. Wala pa nakakalusot ah.
Galing ni Jared ah.
Paganda. Ay! Ay!
Outside. Ayan na.
Oh, Jose versus Jared should be the good matchup. Oh, did they control it? Jared.
Isang ano lang. Nagmadali yung malaki.
Control that ball, son. He's gonna try to take it away from you now.
Ito na naman.
Istong.
Mukha.
Jared's attacking him. What he's supposed to do. Now you gotta attack him, Kyle. You better attack him. Little better, Kyle. Now go score a goal, Kyle. Fast. Control that ball. Good control, Vina. Can she protect it? Can she score a power shot now? She's doing good on that. That's not where you want to go, Vina. He's steering you the wrong way. You gotta try to take this guy on.
Lahat na din.
Lahat ng mga bola, sinipan.
Ito yung pinakamatol sa mga babae. Go, Jared!
Outside.
Outside.
Humawak ko sa dibdib niyo.